Hello and welcome to a quick review on the Halfords Tools ratchet screwdriver set with 4 extensions. This set, as you see, comes with all the bits included in the box, comes in a nice sturdy case. I've had the snap-on ones before, and that was 4 different drivers, a sort of short stubby, a stubby, medium length ratchet screwdriver and a long one. This is the Halfords version, Geardriver. I think it's sold by a few other companies. Nice sturdy, nice weight handle. The advantage with this kit is you can literally just put your own extension lengths in that come with the kit, so you haven't got to carry 3 or 4 different drivers around with you. And also another bonus, not something I use very often, but you get a flexible ratcheting driver as well. So that's quite useful in those tight and awkward spaces. It all fits together nicely, it's all sturdy, and it's backed by the Halfords Advanced warranty, which I've used a few times and never had no issues. I've taken items back that have broken. Only a few items I've had break over the years, no different to my snap-on tools, and they've never asked for a receipt. They've just looked at the goods, made sure the goods are what Halfords Advanced or Halfords Professionals it used to be called, and they've replaced it, no questions. So check this kit out. It's a really nice little kit, good sturdy box. I think it comes in about £30, so you know it's good value for what it is. And compared to the snap-on ones, which I have a feeling when I bought those, and don't get me wrong, they are really good, the snap-on ones, but I'm not sure the price difference warrants the difference compared to the Halfords Advanced. But the snap-on ones, for each one, so a short stubby, so a setup like this would be something around about, I think about 80-90 quid, and then the medium length ones was about sort of 110. So I think this is a good option, especially for someone starting out, maybe as a backup kit, or even someone just working every day, or a multi-trade tool person. This is a really good option. And at the moment, I think there's 10% off on the website, so check it out. I think it's a really good option. Go grab one.